Okay. And now, what is rational number line? How can you represent a rational number on a number line? First, note this in your notes, and then I will tell you how can we represent a rational number on the number line. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Representation of rational numbers. Representation of rational numbers.
Rational numbers.
Right. Okay. Okay, Ashni, how many
Yes,
types of fractions are there? Fractions are nothing but rational numbers. So, what types of fractions are there? How many types? Any one of you? Fractions,
ma'am.
Ma?
3 types, ma'am.
What are those? The first, proper fraction. Okay. The second one is improper fraction. Improper fraction. And the third one is mixed fraction. The third one is mixed fraction. So can you give me an example to proper fraction? Proper fraction means numerator is less than the denominator. So what is the example here? 2 by 3, 2 by 3 or 4 by 9. In this way, like numerator is less than the denominator. So those type of fractions are called as proper fractions. And improper fractions. Improper fractions means numerator is more than the denominator. So 8 by 5. 8 by 5. See here, numerator is more than the denominator. So this type of fractions are called as improper fractions. And then next one is mixed fraction. Means the combination of integer and a proper fraction. The combination of integer and a proper fraction. Like this one, 2 by 5. 2 by 5. So here, this 2 is called as integer and this 2 by 5 is called as the proper fraction. So the combination of integer and a proper fraction is called as the mixed fraction. And these are all fractions which belongs to rational numbers. Okay. So the representation of rational numbers depends upon these three. So proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. So how can you represent a proper fraction on the number line, an improper fraction on the number line, a mixed fraction on the number line? See, I am taking the first one, the first case, that is a proper fraction. Proper fraction. Here I am taking the fraction as 2 by 3. As 2 by 3. So here we have to do first draw the integer number line. So what is integer number line? Just draw a straight line with arrow marks at either side and 0 at center of the line. And now it is a positive value. So I am representing it on the right side of the number line. So 2 by 3. What is the denominator here? Denominator. And the denominator. What is the denominator here? What is the denominator here? 3. Okay. So 3. So divide the distance between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. The distance between 0 and 1. This is 1. Okay. So, this distance in man em cheyalante 3 equal parts ga divide cheyali. Divide the distance between 0 and 1 as 3 equal parts. So that is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts. So this is by 3. And this is 1 by 3. This is 2 by 3. And this last one is 3 by 3. So our representation of a proper fraction is 2 by 3. So you have to represent it here, number line. Okay. This is 2 by 3. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about the representation of rational numbers on number line. How can you represent a rational number on number line? If those are integers, you can directly represent on number line like integer number line. But if they are fractions, first one is proper fraction, second one is improper fraction, third one is mixed fraction. If it is proper fraction, then we have to draw an integer number line and it is positive number. So you have to take the right side of the 0 and next divide the distance between 0 and 1. 0 and 1, because the value of proper fraction is always less than 1. So the distance between 0 and 1 is divided into how many parts? The denominator is 3. So we have to divide it with 3 equal parts. So here I am taking the distance between 0 and 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts. The first one is 0 by 3. Second one is 1 by 3. Third one is 2 by 3. And last one is 3 by 3. 3 by 3 is nothing but 1 only. Okay. So our representation is 2 by 3. Okay. And next one. If it is improper fraction, the second case, improper fraction. So I'm taking here negative value. So improper fraction. So what is the value here? Minus 8 by 5. Minus 8 by 5. So here we have to do, first of all, change this improper fraction to mixed fraction. Mixed fraction loki change cheyali. That means divide 8 with 5. 8 with 5. So here I got negative minus 5 will go 8 in one time. So 1 5s are 5 and the remainder is 3. Remainder is 3. So 3 divided by 5. So ela marchali manam improper fraction ni mixed fraction ga ikkada chudandi 8 ni 5 తో డివైడ్ చేయాలి. 5 8 లో 1 టైం పోతుంది. 1 5s are 5 divided and the remainder is 3. Okay, దీన్ని మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ గా రాసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? 1 టైం quotient and the remainder 3 divided by divisor 5. So minus 8 by 5 is equal to minus 3 by 5. Okay, and now representing on the number line. Number line మీద ఎలా represent చేయాలి? Draw an integer number line, a straight line, arrow marks on both sides, and next one put a 0 at the center of the line. And now I am taking the left side of the number line because it is negative. So I am taking the left side of the number line. So here it is 0 and now I am writing the negative values, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Okay, there is no need to write positive values because we are representing on the left side of the number line. And now our value is minus 1 3 by 5. What it means? That means it lies between minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 1 3 by 5 means it lies between minus 1 and minus 2. So we have to represent it between minus 1 and minus 2. So see here minus 1 and here minus 2. And now we have to divide the distance between minus 1 and minus 2. How many parts? What is the denominator here? 5. So we have to divide the distance between minus 1 and minus 2 into 5 equal parts. So I am dividing 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts and 5th part. Okay, so this is minus 1, Okay, and 0 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, and the last one is 5 by 5, minus 5 by 5. That means this is minus 2. Minus 2. Okay, and now minus 1. This is minus 1. 3 by 5. So here is our representation. So this is minus 1, 3 by 5. అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా? మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి తెలుగులో చెప్తున్నాను చూడండి. ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనం దాన్ని ఏం చేయాలంటే మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ లోకి మార్చుకోవాలి. మిక్స్డ్ లోకి మార్చాలంటే ఎలాగో చెప్పాను కదా, డివైడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. న్యూమరేటర్ ని డినామినేటర్ తో డివైడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ గా మార్చుకోండి. మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ గా మార్చుకున్న తర్వాత దాన్ని రిప్రజెంట్ చేసేటప్పుడు నెంబర్ లైన్ ని డ్రా చేసి సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ది లైన్ లో 0 మనం పుట్ చేసుకొని, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ నెగటివ్ అయితే లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఇండికేట్ చేయాలి, పాజిటివ్ అయితే రైట్ సైడ్ ఇండికేట్ చేయాలి. సో ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి మనకి -1 3/5 అని వచ్చింది. సో దట్ మీన్స్ దట్ వాల్యూ లైస్ బిట్వీన్ -1 అండ్ -2 కి మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది. సో మనం ఏం చేయాలి అంటే -1 కి -2 కి మధ్య ఉన్న డిస్టెన్స్ ని పార్ట్స్ చేయాలి. ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ చేయాలి అని ఎలా తెలుస్తుందంటే డినామినేటర్ ఎంత ఉందో అన్ని పార్ట్స్ చేయాలి. దట్ మీన్స్ 5 is our denominator. So make equal parts, 5 equal parts between -1 and -2. తర్వాత ఇక్కడ 0/5, -1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5. 0/5 అంటే -1 తో ఈక్వల్, అండ్ -5/5 అంటే -2 కి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి, -1 3/5 అన్నాం కదా. సో ఇది మనకి సంబంధించినటువంటి రిప్రజెంటేషన్ ఆఫ్ దట్ వాల్యూ. ఓకే, అండ్ లాస్ట్ వన్, థర్డ్ వన్, మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అన్నాము. ఈ ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ని ఎలా మనం చేస్తాము, మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ని కూడా మనం అలాగే చేసుకోవాలి. సో రైట్ డౌన్ ఇన్ CW 5. So this is our representation 2/5. Okay, so again I'm saying this one representation of very good one. Joel, mute yourself. ఆడియోస్ అన్ని ఆఫ్ చేసుకోండి, వీడియోస్ మాత్రం ఆన్ చేసుకోండి. అడిగినప్పుడు సమాధానం చెప్పండి. వెరీ గుడ్. సో ద రిప్రజెంటేషన్ ఆఫ్ మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ నెంబర్ లైన్. సో ఫస్ట్ డ్రా a number line and put a 0 mark at the center of the number line. And next one, it is positive value, so we have to represent it on the right side of the number line. So it's the value is 2/5. That means it lies between 2 and 3. And now divide the distance between 2 and 3. How many parts? The denominator here 5, so 5 equal parts. So those are 0/5, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. So our representation is 2 after 2/5. So this is 2/5. Okay, and next one, any one of you from E section, unmute yourself and tell me what is the representation of minus 1/6. ఎవరైనా సరే చెప్పాలి. 6, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, and 6/6. So our representation is -1/6. So this is our representation, -1/6. So మీ అందరు in my phone బ్రేక్ అవుతూ ఉంది, మధ్యలో మీరు వినండి. సో ఈ రోజు మనంతా కూడా రిప్రజెంటేషన్ ఆఫ్ రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ ఆన్ నెంబర్ లైన్ చెప్పుకున్నాము. సో ఈ రెండు కూడా ఎక్కించండి అమ్మా, నోట్స్ లో CW లో ఎక్కించుకోండి ఇది మొత్తం.